Hello and welcome to the Embedded World 2022. Currently we are at the booth from SCHURTER. With me is Mr. Maurer. He is telling us about the product solutions that SCHURTER is offering. So you can see here a lot of simple components. Is that everything is produced by you in-house?
Yes, this is a fictive product. We call it Aurora. And all what you can see here is produced in the SCHURTER group.
So if, for example, I like to have another panel, that's no problem for you. So I can have any shape, any form, any printing I like.
Yeah, everything we do is customized. We don't have standard products. Only switches and power inlets and components. This is a standard product. But for input systems, everything is produced according to customers' wish.
Okay, so if I come to you with an idea like how my product should look like, how it should behave, so you will start designing the outer shell with that, and you are also able to go into the interior and also design the electronics for your product. Completely in-house, one solution from one hand.
Correct, yeah. We do the glass printing in-house. We have a fully automated glass printing line. You can see we make a special print where you don't see the print when it's dark behind, but it's once it is illuminated, you can see. We can make sliders and PCAP buttons. We integrate the PCAP sensors, film-based or glass-based, depends on the application. We have a wide range of displays available in the group. And we make electronic designs and EMS service for customers.
So it means if my product needs any kind of electronics to process it, I can tell you what I would like to have and you will make it happen.
Yeah, either you bring us the complete circuitry or we design it together with customers. And at the end, we make the housing. And here, this is a typical component like the power inlet, fuse holders and switches.
So, like every product imaginable that needs an enclosure and a kind of user feedback in terms of display buttons, displays.
Correct. Yeah.
Then SCHURTER is the way to go.
Correct. We work very close with our customers, so the cooperation is deep. And all what you see, the development is in direct work with customers.
And besides the Aurora product and the virtual product, you have even more products available for user input and input processing.
Yes.
I think a few of your colleagues are also willing to show us their input devices that they are familiar with and representing.
Okay.
So we have switched position to highlight a product you're proud of. That's the bonded e-paper. What's so special about it?
What's special about e-paper, e-paper, they don't have an active light.
Yep.
So you need to have an illumination if you want to read the e-paper by night when it is dark. So we developed a special light guide material. This light guide will be optical bonded behind the front, the printed cover lens, and in front of the e-paper display. And this light guide material is structured, so you bring the light in from one side. The light will go on the complete area, and you see the illumination is pretty homogeneous.
So that combines the low power requirements of an e-paper with a nice way to illuminate it for readability at night.
Yeah, correct. In the application there's a battery which is loaded by day from the sunlight, and through the night when you go to the panel there's a sensor in and the light will go on as long as you stand in the front.
That sounds really nice and really power efficient to highlight information to other people. So if somebody needs an e-paper that's illuminated, I think SCHURTER would be a good place.
We are prepared, yes. We do the light guide material in our house. We buy it in sheets and we cut it with the laser machine according to the display size and to the final application.
So like all your products, those are built in-house, so you have fully control over material and processing lines.
We make the complete integration. Of course, the e-paper is sourced in Asia. In this case, together with our partner Beck, which is our most important display distribution company. And finally, the customer is getting what he wants.
Okay, thanks for the information. I see here more devices on the desk. I think your colleagues can tell also a little bit about that, I heard. So we will move over to them. Thanks for your time at this moment.
You're welcome.
Okay, so we have moved over from the e-paper to the input device section. Mr. Calzolari can tell us a little bit more about the products that he likes to show our viewers.
We at SCHURTER wants to help our customer both in producing inside our input system, and we have several kind of them, and you can see here the electromechanical switches, touch switches, and touchless switches, which are based on time-of-flight technology, and they are very popular now in pandemic time.
And they look really robust, so they are vandal?
Yes, they are. They are anti-vandalic in many cases, and you can have several level of robustness of ruggedized product.
Yep. Besides the ruggedized switches, you also, I think, they are also capacitive and...
Yes, this is the membrane switch. We do also in-house them. We have a production facility in Germany for that.
So the customer can go to you with a design he likes to, and you will make it happen?
Absolutely, yes. Yeah. So we can make custom devices from scratch for the customer, and also when it comes to pick up capacitive button, and then we can put in reality the design of the customer, what the customer has in mind in a very short time, even for small quantities. It's not a problem, yeah.
So fully customizable, fully flexible, and short time delivery.
Yes, and with the usual SCHURTER high quality, which is our best service to the customer. And this is for touch panel. As you can see, we can also customize the cover lens with logos, and it's a multi-touch projector capacitive technology for the touch screen. This is one division, product made in-house, inside house. We have also outsourced products especially for embedded computing. So we have several kind of system on module, carrier board, single board computer, and we can assist the customer in implementing the final application.
So for the customer, it's enough just to come with an idea to you, and you will also help him on its way to the...
And our technical team will help him in deciding which is the most suitable product for his application. We have also partners that can help him in developing the board support package for Linux environment, or even the mechanical part. We can make customized display, customized sizes, thickness, logos, and whatever, because our final goal is to satisfy the request of the customer rather than sell a standard product off the shelf.
Okay, so if you need a customized product with customized input, may have a look at SCHURTER. They can surely assist you with your upcoming projects. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for the small tour.
Thank you.
And then have a nice exhibition and stay healthy.
Same to you. Ciao.